Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Check the dash for transfer case icons and ensure the truck is on stable ground. First, set the parking brake and leave the transmission in park or neutral. This protects the drivetrain. Start the engine, then engage 4H by pressing the 4x4 button or turning the rotary selector. Do this at low speed if already moving. Once engaged, watch the indicator light and listen for a soft clunk. This confirms the front axle locked in and you're ready to proceed. You'll use 4H on wet, snowy, or loose gravel roads where extra traction matters. Apply steady, even throttle. Jerky inputs can upset traction control and induce wheel slip. Once engaged, keep speeds moderate. Manufacturers commonly recommend under 55 mph because high-speed use stresses the transfer case. Make gentle steering inputs and reduce speed before corners to prevent binding. If ABS or traction lights flash unusually, slow down and assess. Make sure you need 4L for steep, slow maneuvers like deep mud or rock crawling. Stop or slow to about 3 mph, shift to neutral, then select 4L. This gives maximum torque. Once the obstacle is cleared, shift back to 4H or 2H. Put the transmission in neutral, move the transfer selector, then drive a short distance to fully seat the gears. If you hear binding, grinding, or notice vibration, stop, re-enter neutral, and try again. If problems persist, inspect tires and consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.